So let's talk about how you can actually weaponize your service menu. Let's refine your menu to be more specialist. Decide what is it that you want to be known for. If you offer general beauty services, do you want to be known for lashes, brows, skin, or something else? If you are a hairdresser, what type of services do you want to be known for? Blonde specialist, color correction, there's all different types that you could be known for. If you're in the aesthetic industry, what type of aesthetics do you want to be known for? Do you want to be known for creating a natural look or for enhancing a more bolder look in your clients? Next step is you want to be able to remove the ability for people to book in for low value services that don't generate much profit or no profit at all. Instead, look to create bundles or packages so that people can have these services that they love with other services, or even better, have them as add-ons only so they can't just book in for that low value service. Our members have significantly increased their profitability through service menu adjustments just like this. Because when you significantly increase your profitability, then you have the resources to invest in other business decisions that can continue that exponential growth that you have in your business. Some other added benefits of focusing on becoming a specialist is that you actually own that position. You become so proud of the fact that you know all this information and knowledge around the thing that you're specializing in, that you ooze that excitement, and people actually get really caught up in it. They get encapsulated by your passion for it. And so therefore it becomes self-perpetuating for you as well, because you're seeing that other people are loving what it is that you have to offer the world. And so therefore you're seeking out more knowledge and more information because you're loving it so much. And the other benefit is that then when people see all of this, they start seeking you out as the expert. So your reputation and brand in the marketplace strengthens and becomes known because they know you as the person who's highly passionate about that thing and can actually deliver that service better than anybody else in the marketplace. And remember what I said earlier in the video, he who can articulate the client's problem the clearest wins the business. Well, this is what happens when you become a specialist. You can actually articulate their problems and provide that solution better than anybody else because you're so much more passionate about it as well. So I hope this video has been helpful for you to be able to understand that it's more powerful to specialize than it is to be a generalist, and to give you permission to make those changes to your service menu that you need so that you can become more profitable.